I'm pretty happy. And then so this is the view. So I'm right in the downtown of Hatyai. So this is kind of scan it with this camera. This is a zoom camera, so you can see basically rooftops. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is in, there's a view right over there too. If you can make out this city, it's Hatyai. And there's another window with another view. And I have a view from my room too. And the reason I'm going to use the zoom camera is because I'm going to show you the view. Kind of regular bathroom. This is 27 American dollars. So safe. You said it doesn't work. It's fine. I guess has kind of a musty smell to it, but it has kind of old chairs that look like they haven't been changed in 30 years. But it is what it is. For $27, I'm pretty happy. And then so this is the view. So I'm right in the downtown of Hatyai. So this is kind of scan it with this camera. This is a zoom camera, so you can see basically rooftops. Oh, there's somebody else's apartment right here on both sides. Huh. I stayed at a Hong Kong hotel that had that too. Maybe I'll just turn that like that so that. And let's zoom in and see what we can see in the street level. I'm going to be walking down there in a minute. But yeah, so anyways, I'm in, this is a halal, I'll put the name in the title, but it's like a halal, meaning like Muslim friendly. I guess, which that means to the food, I guess. I'm not 100% sure. It's kind of interesting, those rooftops are kind of interesting. And those two have ladders right there. Oh, that's kind of interesting too. There's a guy who just walked. He just went to the middle of the street with all those cars. So it's like a four-way. So he went he didn't use the crosswalks. There's those 4 crosswalks. He didn't use any of those. He just walked right through the center part. I guess he's still walking in the center of the road anyways. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. I guess he doesn't like to use the sidewalks of that thing. But neither does this lady right here. Dang, I feel like I'm in China. Nobody uses the sidewalks. Huh, she also doesn't use the crosswalk either. She likes to walk. Huh. Well, anyways, seems kind of funny because these are like really long, wide sidewalks too. So they look like pretty ideal for walking to me. And those lot of sidewalks go over there too. It's a little bit harder to see in the shade. But now she's using the sidewalk. Anyways, so this is kind of weird. There's another lady in the street. What's going on here? These ladies. Oh, there's some blockage right there. So this shop right here is blocking everything. So when they run into that space, they're all forced out into the road. And now she'll probably head back over the sidewalk again. Oh, there's more space being blocked up there too though, so this is all being blocked up, and then this is a parking lane. So she's trying to decide, okay, which way do I go? She's going to try to use the sidewalk. She doesn't want to walk into that mess. Who would want to anyways, right? Anyways. Okay, we're in Hatyai. I guess I'll be walking through that stuff in a minute myself with my other camera. I just saw this lady just went across too in a funny way. Like I'm filming in, I can see it with my eye, but yeah, look. Just kind of walking into the traffic. This lady's coming like that too. What the heck? I guess they're loading something. Well, anyways, I'm gonna get myself set up with my GoPro camera and start walking around this city. So this is my view from the hotel. This is Hatyai. Not sure how long I'll stay here. I'll talk about that in the GoPro. Okay, this is the lobby of the same hotel. So it's kind of surrounded by windows. There's kind of a halal. There's Malaysia time and Thailand time. And that's the street. Okay, because I have such an interesting perspective of this hotel in hatyai, I decided that I'm going to film a little bit at night. And then, I don't know what you can see, but you can definitely see that street of, it goes all the way down. I'll see if you can see the skyline too. But I'm up on the 11th floor. I think this building has 16, so, and it's a little bit dark at night. Things close around 11 o'clock, I think. I mean, some of the bars are still open, probably. Actually, that, right down there, the McDonald's closes at 11, and almost all the restaurants around it closed. I was looking for food. Came back with kimchi ramen from 7-Eleven instead. Let's just see if this can focus a little bit. Might not focus very well at nighttime. Sometimes it'll suddenly catch its focus. You can also hear the rain. So we're just going to go back to this street because this is kind of cool, just to be able to see what it looks like at nighttime on the 11th floor on this rainy night. And it looks like there's a lot of cars, but it's just kind of the reflection of the rain, I think. It's actually not that much. Let's see if we can. That's what a car looks like when it's actually there. On this road, there's one there. There wasn't any at all, so it's kind of hard to see through the rain like that. So let me just kind of zoom in like this. And maybe kind of interesting for people that don't know hatyai, you can see on this other side of it how it has kind of an urban city feel ever so slightly. And then in the distance you can see like some things up in the hills a little bit. So there's lights way in the distance. Again, it's nighttime, so okay. Something unexpected. Here I am in hatyai, Thailand, southern Thailand.